Guys, please move. Will be like an more like a interactive session. So, what comments or thoughts that you feel right or wrong? Just post it here. We would like to hear your comments. Okay. So the medium of communication will be the WhatsApp chat. I'm sorry, the chat here actually. So we will start the session now. Just to introduce myself, my name is Gurumurthy. I'm one of the co-founder of Eduinx, and I head the career services and placements. Earlier, I was heading the placements for Indian Institute of Management, Ranchi, and with XLRA Jamshedpur and a couple of leading institutes in India and abroad, especially Singapore, Canada, and US. Then I moved back to India, and currently I lead this organization. So I'm going to help you in this session to create a right CV. And second thing is I'm going to help you how to decide your path. That's very important. So this is what I'm going to talk about during the entire session. So I'm just going to give you a brief idea about what will be the data science career path and how you can able to transform your career to the data science. So let me just want to know how many people are here freshers or experienced. Just let me know. No, I'm not. I'm not asking about whether you're having experience in data science or not. Just want to know, like, are you a fresher or experienced candidate? That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Is the screen is visible now? Okay. So let me start with one story here. Actually, when I was in college, all my teachers or professors told me like kind of study well, got it right, and my parents told me like go and get a good marks in the college or school, and the society told me like do an engineering or do a coding and get a degree, but nobody, literally nobody, told me about how to build that C. So what is that C? Can someone guess? What is that C that no one talks about? Company, then Santosh. Code, okay. Communication, career. Yeah, Adi, thanks a lot. Yeah, go ahead. Confidence, okay. Any other thoughts? Any other thoughts? Language. No, I'm not. I'm talking about the word C. Character, okay. Competition, okay. Adi told the right answer. That's a career. So I'm going to talk about like how you are going to create a right kind of career path for the long run. Got it, right? So this is what about like entire discussion today. So let's get into the discussion. So these are the points I'm going to cover today. So how you can able to start your career in the data science. That's very important. And second thing, what I'm going to talk today is few more things: the career, that decides your salary, your future, and your growth, and your lifestyle. But no one discuss about this clearly. Okay. So today I'm going to break it down for you in a very simplest way. Actually, say. So let's take a example. So imagine today is your day one career. It's not in your college. So if you start your career correctly today, your upcoming 10 years will be easy, right? Peaceful and growth oriented. So in this session, I'm going to explain what is happening in the India's job market, and why data science is a fastest growing field, and what salaries you can get, and what roles you can target, and what are the skills you have to learn, and how we can able to help you to take from zero to the job ready. Please understand, let me just put you very clearly here, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to have a strong background. Let me reiterate again, coding is a part of learning, coding is not a final thing. So coding, it's a part of learning. So it's not like coding is not only one job. Got it, right? So how you are going to learn without having a strong background, and if you understand like a basics English and simple maths, you can start the data science journey actually. So I'm going to explain everything what is happening in the data science field today. Please raise your thoughts here. So what are the things you want to know from this session? So I'm happy to add that one also here. What are the specific queries you want to learn from this session? Anything? Okay. Difference between all coding languages. Okay. 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 Without degree, shift my career from pharma to data science. Yes, I'm going to help you.
Hello.
What are the areas need to learn?
Dinesh,
Definitely, Ms. Indra Arugyasam, I'm going to help you there. Then,
आपसे डिस्कशन हुआ था प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट कोर्स में.
when the certificate will be given? Certificate will be given within a week. Opportunities, placements, practical knowledge on data science, how to get placed after building the skills. Thanks a lot, Vikram. We are going to talk about that one. I'm a fresher who is going to pass out next year. How I can able to start a career in data science? Yes, Bhaskaran. I'm going to talk about it. How much communication I need? Okay. Yes, Yogendra. This is one of the great question. I can explain you actually. That's very important. How can I able to improve your skills? Yes. Most of the companies need a experienced staff. Okay. Okay. How accountant to data science for a career? Thank you so much. So I'm going to talk about everything. In the end, if I'm not going to cover, just let me know. I'm going to help you there actually. Yeah. Let's start with. So this is one of the very important slide. So let me talk about it here. Have you ever noticed something? Everywhere you go, apps, shopping, food delivery, or banking, everything run on data. Everything runs on data. Actually, a simple example I can give. So, say if you order something, if you order food on Zomato, you get a delivery on time. Delivery time, your favorite restaurant suggestions, your payment offers. Behind all this thing, can you think what is there? Data science. Okay, thanks, Yogendra. Yes. So, can you give some other guesses? Now, just multiply by this crores of Indians using the apps daily. This is why India has a 3.1 lakh open data science job, and data jobs are growing like a kind of 45 percentage year on year. And India is a second fastest growing data market in the world. By 2027, we need at least like an 10 lakh plus data science professionals. Please understand, companies don't have a skilled people, and that is why you are in the best possible time to learn this skill. Let me just give you a simple example. Yeah, Sure. I'm going to talk about it soon. So just let me know. I'm just going to give a simple example. So everybody can able to type what are the apps that you are having in your mobile phone. Probably I have like Zomato, Swiggy. I have Make My Trip, HDFC Bank. Okay. So yeah, whatever the thing. I just want to know what are the kind of apps that you are having in your mobile phone. Snapchat. Okay. Netflix. Yeah. Netflix is there. Amazon Prime. Yeah. Unstop. Okay, Geo Hotstar, Telegram, LinkedIn, GPay, PhonePe. Yes, yes, yeah. Thank you, guys. I want you to close your eyes and think for 10 seconds. Got it right? Then open an app, Swiggy. Just open the app, Swiggy. Got it right? And just you know, uh, before you even click the Swiggy, what the app will show for you. Just open the app, Swiggy, or on screen. Okay, then. Okay, delivery address. Then offers. Yeah, profile. Then Srijit, Swiggy will never show your profile. Friday sale rush offer. Yeah, yes. Probably before you even click, Swiggy already knows few things. What is your favorite restaurant and what is your usual restaurant? What is the typical timing that you order a food, and what are the offers that you like? Do you ever think that the Swiggy ask you? Does Swiggy ask you? Yes, yes, mail preference. Yes, Swiggy recommend. Remembers all the activities. True, true. Yes, sir, it predicts. Swiggy already knows everything about you because Swiggy's data science manager is predicting your hunger. Your hunger is predicted by data science manager. Is this clear or not? So that's the reason, if you are like if your preference is more vegetarian, you normally get like in most of the offers based on the vegetarian cuisine. Actually, if it's like a non-vegetarian, they will offer like loads of non-vegetarian options. Now now I ask you to scroll Instagram. Just scroll Instagram. What will happen? I just need you guys, just be interactive. I just need your thought process. Just scroll the Instagram. What will happen now? I'll put it like very simple. The moment you like 2 to 3 posts, say for example, probably I may like comics or or a fun post. What will happen? Yeah, food reels. Yeah, what will happen? Yes, Neeraj, exactly the same thing. It will show, yeah, Yogendra, the same thing. It will show the similar post. Got it right. For like, yeah, probably Mr. Bhaskaran is looking for the courses. Probably the feed is with full of courses and suggestions. Actually, yes, the similar post will come. Why this is happening? A simple logic. You are not saying anything to the Instagram, but Instagram understood your mind through data. So there is always a need for a data scientist there. Actually, yeah, choices get saved in the data. Say for example, if I'm watching a Netflix, probably a comedy movie or horror movie, what will happen? So what will happen? Yes, it suggests the sure, yeah, yes, Yogendra. Yeah. So everywhere it's a data scientist or data science. So all these apps knows you through data, correct or not? All these apps knows through you through data. Let me know who agree for this actually. Okay, let me throw in another question here. But do you know anything about data? Yeah, Trishna, talk about. Okay, data is everywhere. Okay, do you know anything about data? Okay, lots set of information, guys. A thought for you today is companies knows the data will win the market. Am I correct or not? Companies knows the data. Yeah, data is everywhere. But please understand, as a student or a people who understand the data will get a job. People who don't know the data will get replaced. This is very important. If you don't know data, you'll get replaced. You will get replaced very fast. That is what happening in today's market. So let me start with the bad news. So you know what is happening today, right? Before let's go for a good news, let me show what is the reality today. So so let's imagine a person. Probably his name is Yogendra or Trishna. Let's imagine a person. Got it right? And Yogendra works in a company. He is very smart, but his job is very manual. Got it right? So he is updating Excel, copy pasting, and sending emails. One fine day, his company introduced an automation tool, and suddenly, Yogendra's job become unnecessary. He comes to office, HR calls him. We are downsizing today, or we are doing a layoff today. So this is not just a Yogendra story actually. Please understand, 85,000 people in India face this in the last 2 years. Many jobs, especially non-technical jobs, are being removed. AI is replacing who do the repetitive work. But the roles that requires the data and AI skills, those roles are not only safe, they are growing. Do you all agree for this or not? Let me ask the question to Yogendra first. Guys, there is a testing called manual testing. Got it right? You know, once if I'm going to talk about before a decade, before 10 years, everybody joins for the manual testing. Today it has already been automated. Let me go for a good news here actually. Now let's imagine another student here from your group, maybe Sahra. Got it right. Let's take an example like a Sahra. So Sahra doesn't have a coding background. Please understand this. Good. Uh, so Sahra did her BCom. She joins as a data analyst. In the in a 4 to 5 months, she learns Excel, SQL, Power BI, basics of Python, real projects, and she get placed as a fresher for up to 6 lakhs as a CTC actually. Why? Because India has about like 3.1 lakhs of open job roles in data science, and companies are actively hunting for data analysts, scientists, ML engineers, GenAI engineers actually. Salaries are very strong. Data analysts may get about like up to 8 lakhs, data scientist up to 25 LPA, and machine learning and AI engineer 25 to 50 LPA actually. This field is honestly the safest and fastest growing job category today actually. And the best part here is you can get the job in just 6 months, 180 days if you learn the right skills. So what we do here is we support right from the skills, projects, GitHubs, and placements. No, AI is not going to replace. Let me explain about you in the end of the session, Sahara, why AI is not going to replace actually. Yes, Neeraj, we will let you know how to find the right kind of job in different platforms. Yes, the roles you can target are data analyst, data scientist, ML engineer, BA analyst, GenAI engineer, AI product manager. So, I'll explain you what is a GitHub. Uh, please wait, and I just want you to talk about what is the difference between each and every role. Yeah, Yogeda, that's yeah. Which role to take a start? I'm going to explain about that one: data analyst, data engineer, or data science. Yeah. So these are the roles. I just want to know, like, yeah, what is the work of ML engineer? Uh, Krishna Javale, right? Krishna Javale, right? Yeah, the role of ML engineer is very simple. Say, for example, you go back to a child and show like a 10 pictures of dog. Got it right? Now, what the child will do, you are showing 10 pictures of dog to child. So, what child will do? If the child go to road, he can able to understand the dog, right? Because because you have already trained the child like by showing loads of picture, about like 10 to 15 pictures. Am I correct or not, Krishna? Krishna, are you there? That's the same role of ML engineer. Instead of training the child, you are going to train the computer, or you are going to train the you're going to teach the computer. That's it. That's the role of ML engineer. Got it right. So that's a pretty simple like this. Say for example, like Netflix. How the Netflix recommend you if you're watching a comic movie. Netflix will recommend the loads of comic movies, right? Yeah, that I'm going to talk about that one. So that's a machine learning actually. That's a role of machine engineer. So how you are going to train the machine? Yes. First, you are going to collect the data, like you are collecting many photos of cats, dogs, cars, and everything. Then you are going to clean the data. So some blurry images will be there, duplicate images will be there. So you're going to remove those images, and you are going to train a model. You are going to tell the computer these are like 1,000 examples of dog photos. Learn from them. Then you are going to test the model. Got it right? Check if the computer is learning correctly and improve the accuracy. Got it? If the computer is making the mistakes, fix it. Then you are going to deploy the model. Like you are going to use this model in the app, website, banking system, or a chatbot. Clear or not? You got it right. You are going to share these images, and you are going to make the system to learn. This is how the dog looks. Got it right? Yes. Please understand. In the beginning, you don't need to learn the deep learning, but in the later part, it's become very important. So I can say like in ML, like a kind of 10 standard syllabus actually. So you learn basic, simple algorithm, easy to understand. Deep learning is like in more advanced, like in using images, speech, videos, GenAI, and other thing. First, you learn the machine learning. Once you're comfortable, then slowly you can move towards like a deep learning. Actually, clear? Yeah, I'm going to talk about it. Yes, data science needs deep learning. Yeah. So you can I'm going to give a differentiation between what is a data analyst and data scientist. So you can able to see here. Say to enter a data science, you should be a coding expert. That's not true. There are many entry points. First one is a data analyst. This is best for the freshers, and business analyst, especially for the dashboard and reports, and a machine learning engineer. This is especially for the tech lovers. Data scientist, like a problem solving person, mathematics, GenAI engineer, the newest trend, and AI product manager who likes planning and strategy. So whether you're from a arts, commerce, pharma, BTech, BBA, BCA, anything, every student there is a place for you there in the data science. So I'm going to explain the career path of with a small example here. So as a data analyst, you start with the simple things like an Excel, SQL, Python basics, making dashboard, cleaning data. But slowly you understand the business and handle the bigger responsibilities. And the career goes like a kind of data analyst, senior analyst, analytics manager, data scientist. Companies love data analysts because they solve daily business problems. And this is the most practical and starting point for the fresher, the data analyst role. Yes, data analyst role. Can you guys explain this role in a very layman way? Okay, analysis data. That's everyone knows actually. What are the other thought process from you then? Interpret data. Okay, then guys, I just want you guys to be like you know more interactive, please. Clean data. Okay, please be more interactive. EDA. Okay. So prediction. Okay, let me go with a very layman example. So imagine you are watching an IPL match and you look at the dashboard now, and my favorite team is CSK. Now, what you will see there, the dashboard, in a scoreboard. So, what you are going to see in the scoreboard? Let's say like in CSK was Mumbai Indians. Visuals we know, then runs. Yeah, thanks. Then runs, visual, overs, wickets. Yeah, guys, think a lot. CSK was Mumbai Indians dashboard. Summary. Then can you able to see this? Runs, balls, strike rate, run rate, wickets, partnership, boundary counts, prediction, individual player reports. Yes. Okay. Okay, Neeraj. Thanks. Now you are the person creates the scoreboard. Yes. You will be called as a data analyst. As simple as this. Guys, I want you to come back with this is a simple example of data analyst. Now think about you know any other domain and come back with some real life examples. At shoot sales target. Then guys, these are like too heavy for me. Just come back for the layman examples. Think as simple as something. Layman examples. A pizza shop owner acts like a data analyst. Okay, then weather forecasting. Yes, Neeraj. Any other? Any other examples? Gold rate. Okay. Stock market analysis. Yeah, it's really good. Any other? Think for a minute. A jewelry shop. So okay, imagine you're working for a big bazaar or D-Mart or a Reliance retail. as a data analyst, what is your job? Imagine you are working as a data analyst for the Big Bazaar or a DMart sales report. Then sales report, it's like a very vague word. So how many products has a demand? Yeah, true. Then just think a lot, think deeply. Okay, yeah, how many customers enter the store? Products sold the most, items are not selling. Yeah, how to improve sales? Okay, then give offers. Okay, put extra billing stuff. Yes, exactly. Say for example, if let's say a food product called Maggie sales data shows most sales happening on Saturdays. So, as a business analyst, you will go back to the store and say, keep more Maggie items on Saturday. You got it right. This is as simple as this. This is the role of data analyst. Just imagine you are a owner of a petrol shop. Got it right? Sales are dropping. Got it? So now you are a business analyst. Can you go back and predict what is the reason? Imagine you are owner of petrol shop. Got it right? And you feel like the sales are dropping now. Now you call a business analyst. No, sales are dropping. I'm going to talk only on the revenue, nothing else. Revenue, that's it. Yeah, competitors giving bigger offers. Okay, then slow or faulty pump missions. Okay, staff behavior problem. Got it. Petrol quality. Yes. Long waiting time queues. Yes. Guys, this is as simple. You guys are really doing great. This is like in halfway that you are already become a data analyst. Mileage issue. So as a data analyst, you will compare everything for the last 30 days. What you are talking now, services and everything. Got it right? And you found there is an maybe there is one new petrol shop was open near to that about like 1 kilometer. They are giving a better service. So now you come back and say to the petrol bunk owner, why don't you give like 1 rupee or 2 rupee discount? So sales will automatically get increased. You got it right. So this is what exactly the business analyst does. Clear? Okay. Let's take an example. Maybe you are owner of Myntra. You know what is a Myntra, right? So what is Myntra and what they are doing? And e-commerce, okay. So what's their major product? Yes, dress, right? Yeah, Srijit, the question is for you. Got it right? You are a business head. Got it? Okay. This is Srijit. You are a business head. Now you are asking your team, data science team, should we stock more red or black color t-shirts for upcoming sale? Think about you're a business analyst. What you are going to do? No, not Vikram. That is not a right answer. Check the recent orders. Yes. Yeah. No. Take quotations from customers. It's a wrong answer. Seasonal trend. Anthony, that's the exact answer I'm looking for. Past data checks. Last 3 months sale data, I'll check. What is the preference for the customers and what is the trend? And whether it's going to be a festival time. These are the things I'm going to check and come back and say, yes, we can store more red color dresses. Got it right? So this is as simple as the role of data analyst. Clear? Is this clear? So let's go more deeper now. Let's see like what is the role of data scientist. Say now you imagine like you love the logic, patterns and mathematics, right? Then you start as a data scientist. Now you work on Python, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, cloud, big data, and your growth become like a data analyst, data scientist, senior data scientist, and principal data scientist, and lead data scientist and chief data officer. And please mark my words. These roles are like an high paying and future proof actually. Got it. Okay, let me have a question for you. Got it right? Say, how many guys I want to apply for a loan. Got it right? Apply for a loan. Maybe Bajaj Finserv, or any banks. Got it right? So if you are a bank manager, so what is your requirements from me if I want to apply for a loan in your bank or BFSA or NBFC? Check the CIBIL, okay? Risk assessment. Thanks. Yes, Neeraj. Any other thoughts? CIBIL score, pay slips. Then Okay, past payment history. Thanks, Neeraj. Ability to repay loan. That's very important. Any other loans, Santosh? Yes. Thank you. That's great, actually. Now you are going to predict this person is an 80% risk or a 20% risk, right? So, so I can say this is the actual role of data scientist. So, what is the role of fortune teller? Prediction, then fortune teller role to tell about the future. Then, so just to keep you more engaged and easy to learn, this is the role of data scientist, a fortune teller. Got it right? And here you are not going to predict. Got it right? And you are not going to guess anything and you are not going to assume anything. You look at the data and find the patterns and predicts. Clear or not? Yes, helping people to make decisions. So this is the actual role of data scientist. Got it right? मैं तो पैसे इसी के लिए लेती हूँ और किसी के लिए देता हूँ मैं पैसे इसी के लिए देते हैं ना मैं बैठ के कॉल करती हूँ ना कुछ नहीं करती हूँ पैसे इसीलिए देते हैं Any thoughts from your end? So, guys, I want to know. Yes, you can work as a consultant for a company. So, imagine you are running a coffee day. Got it right? Coffee day or chai point. Got it right? Tell me, you are a business owner for a business owner. Okay. So, what are the things you observe in a everyday, right from Monday to Sunday? Just think about you are an owner for a coffee day or a chai point. What are the things you observe from Monday to Sunday? Guys, just be in sales, okay? Peak times, yeah. Guys, be interactive, please. Morning. What about today? Everyone are doing it. They are becoming like everyone are doing it. Everyone are doing it. Where you are doing? Tell me. Yes, inventory and wastage, product which sells more. Any other thoughts? You will get frustrated, you will make me. Yeah, which items need to improvement per day revenue? Okay, then inventory, competition, place of shop, student data. Vasanta, can you explain about what is the student data? What is student data? Profit with cost monitoring. Okay. Score. Okay. Okay. As a normal person, what I will do, I will guess the thing, right? Am I correct or not? I will guess a lot. What may happens. Clear? But as a as a data scientist, I'll see the records. I'll go back and check like a kind of during the ra- during the rainy season, which item sales or more. Just guess. No, I'm talking about the chai point or coffee day. Okay, got it. So hot drinks. Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah, got it. Snacks. Yeah, sure. So if you'll go back and check, he'll go back and check, and he'll go back and come back and say like a kind of there is a chance of rain tomorrow, so keep extra teas ready. Got it right? Clear? This is the role of data scientist. You are going to do a loads of research about the data and come back and say and come back and help the business. You can keep this so you can able to increase your revenue. Clear? Any doubts till now? I'm going to pass a minute. Just let me know if you have any doubts. Okay. So this is the difference what I spoke now. So that I'm going to come back to the program that we offer. We are recognized by the IBAC. Got it right? Because it's recognized within 170 plus countries and a lifetime validity and international credibility. And please understand, just a certification don't give you a job, but the right certification like IBAC will give you a credibility. Please understand this. You know, this has a lifetime validity and is respected by the recruiters, and that shows you learned industry standard skills. This adds a strong line in your CV. So we follow the simple program structure: a foundation with the maths and Python, then with the statistics and machine learning, then the deep learning with GenAI, and project split GitHub. And someone was talking about the GitHub. Let me just explain you what is a GitHub here. So you'll get like a 300 hours plus learning, 10 plus mini projects, and 3 to 5 capstone projects, and a lifetime recordings and the mentor support. This everything will make you to be like a beginner to the job ready. Someone was asking about the GitHub. So So this is the GitHub. So my request is, once you want to become like a data scientist or a technical person, you should know what is GitHub. So guys, that's a website for GitHub. Just log in there. I'll let you know what so GitHub, in a very simple way, I can say it's like an online notebook where you can store all your coding works there. Got it right? It's so nothing gets lost. This is as simple as this actually. Say for example, imagine you are having a notebook and every day you're writing something like a diary. Got it right? One day that notebook got lost. Everything is gone. And GitHub solve this problem. You upload the code here. It says no, it will stay safe forever, and you can open it anywhere in any device, in even from your phone. And this is where you are going to show all your projects to the recruiters. I can give you like much more simple way. This is like an Instagram for your coding works, and companies can able to see your work. Clear, guys? You should know how to store your projects in the GitHub. So you have to create. It's like a Google Drive, I can say. So you can able to access anything. Google Drive for your coding, for your codes. Got it. So this is where you are going to keep your code. So these are the projects you are going to build, right from e-commerce forecasting till GenAI automation project during the program. And these are the key tools you are going to learn, and these are the tools compulsory for a data scientist or a data analyst or a business analyst, right from Python till TensorFlow. Say Python, SQL, Power BI, Tableau. That is for the analytics. ChatGPT, Gemini, DALI for the GenAI. PyTorch, TensorFlow for the deep learning. So these tools will make you job ready and confident. Yes. Virat Kumar, can you please explain more about what you know about DALI? Yes, DALI is very simple actually. Got it right. Say Vinod, tell me something. Vinod, so where are you from? Chennai, right? Okay. And what's your favorite place in Chennai? Okay. And which beach? There are different beaches in. Okay, Marina Beach. Okay, fine. Like create a picture. Create a picture. Create a picture. Vinod with horse riding in Marina Beach. Got it right. The DALI will create the picture. That's the role of DALI. Clear or not? In ultra simple way, I can say, that's a tool to create a picture from your words. Just, it doesn't require any drawing skills. Just type, the image automatically will come. It's a AI tool that make images. Yes. Okay. Let's go for a slide. Uh, you had to listen this slide very carefully. Got it right, because when I go with any top end companies, you can see the coding percentage is 38 percentage. The average is around like 37 to 38 maximum. Rest everything goes as in the skills that you are going to learn, right, from statistics, machine learning, product sense, and behavioral things. Actually, this is a data based out of top product companies. Yes. Yes, Indra, you can do it same in the chat GPT, but DALI is a right tool for that one. Yes. Yes, Balram. So these are like a seven-step process for to clear any data science interviews. First of all, you have to know what is your right role, whether you go a data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, or business analyst. So every role needs a different skills and interview style actually. Then you need to have a proper LinkedIn profile, GitHub, at least 2 to 5 strong projects, and resume that have like an 1 to 2 pages with metrics, tools, and outcomes. The interview rounds goes like a telephonic round followed by the assignments, in-person interviews, and post interviews. And we are going to guide you in all the 7 steps personally. Sure. I'll let you know. So if I'm going to talk about the R, what is the importance for R is like a kind of, it's a language made specially for a data. Say for example, we are using an Adobe Photoshops and Excel for the table. R is for the data analysis. Say yeah, someone is asking, yeah, Balram, so what is R? Imagine you are having about millions of data, okay? So Balram, where are you from? Mumbai, right? Let's take an example like you know let's take an example, vada pav. Think about like Say for example, if you're running a small vada pav stall in Mumbai, got it right? Just take an example now. Got it? So you're running a small vada pav stall in Mumbai. So Monday 50 people are coming, okay, and Tuesday 100 people, and like this, till Sunday about like 1,000 people. Is this clear till now? Now you want to understand your sales properly. Got it right? So how you are going to understand this sales? That's where you are going to use the or. Got it right? This is like a super smart calculator. So it will go back and analyze and how many vada pavs sold each day, and which day there was an highest crowd, and what happens when there is a rain or a cloudy weather, and when to prepare extra chutney, and how much pav you need to buy for tomorrow, and what is the peak time sale. Got it right? So or takes entire sales data, it will come back and show in a simple charts, graphs, patterns and predictions. So or will come back and say, boss, kal there is a barish. Got it right? There is a chance bahut hai, so just keep 50 extra vada pav. Got it right? So this is how your business grows and your waste reduces and your profit increases. So in a simple way, I can say R helps you to see the numbers very clearly, so you can able to take some better decisions. Clear? Yes. So we are going to help you right from job mapping till 100% placement assurance. So by providing you on one-on-one mock interviews, mentor edge, interview lineups, weekly progress tracking, and everything. So this is about our thing, and the word that we are talking now. No one would like to talk more about it. The C word is career, and this is the final thoughts for you. So I have just given the QR here. Just scan this QR, and this just scan this code, and you can fill your details, and I'm happy to help you here. And I'm done from my end, and I'm open for any questions from your end. So whatever the questions you are having, kindly post the questions in the chat box. I'm happy to help you here. Uh, yes, Yogendra, Jish, kindly scan this QR code and fill your details. I'll ask the sales team to get in touch with you for the course fees. Yeah, yeah. What is the main difference between R and Python language? Nandini, where are you from? Nandini, where are you from? Kozhikode, Kerala, right? Okay, thanks. Yeah, this is an live online course. We do have our own platform. The classes will happen in that platform, over that platform. Yeah. Okay, the simple layman terms, what differentiate between the Python and R is like a kind of Python does everything. Got it right? And R is mainly for the statistics and data. Nandini, is this clear or you want more clarification? Any other doubts? I'm happy to help you here and you can ask me anything. Yes, Shrijit, before Friday, upcoming Friday, you'll get the certificates in your mail. Anthony, have explained this data science and data analyst difference earlier. Yogendra, that depends on the company by company. Actually, it depends. Most of the companies use Python, yes, and some use R, but Python is used more actually because the Python can able to do anything, everything I can say, right from the apps, website, data analysis, MLA, automation. Python, it's like an all-in-one tool. So companies prefer Python. Yes, Python is easy to understand. So data science is like a kind of you are going to understand from the past data. So AI data science is like making the computer learn and think. So AI learns from the data and predicts the future. I'm sorry, Srijit, I could not able to understand your question. Best way of teaching data science. So data analyst job is for a long term, got it right? And data is increasing every day. So the data analyst will always be needed. And every company, right from the banks, hospital, apps, hotel, all need someone to read the data and tell what is happening. So as long as the companies have a data, they need of data analyst. Srijit, online is better. The reason is, nowadays there is no difference between offline or online actually. So you may take a call, but end of the day, learning matters a lot. So thank you guys. I'm winding up the session. Uh, yes, this course is like a batch wise. So once you fill these details, so the team will come back to you and talk to you regarding the schedule and other thing. Uh, Anthony, post COVID, work from office is much more better. So offline is better. Thank you guys, and you have a great weekends. Power BI is needed. Thank you guys, and have a good night.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes, Vivek.
Good evening, sir. Is audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, actually, this is the Eduinx. Something is came for me right now that Google form. Okay, so I submitted already.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so I already submitted. So that is company name. I think Eduinx, correct?
Yes. Yes. It's correct. Yeah.
Okay, that's why I want to confirm. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Thanks. 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 Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Sir, one more question. When I will we have to get back these things
By tomorrow morning, the team will get back to you.
in mail IDs, correct?
Yeah. You have already shared your phone number, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So thank you guys. Thanks a lot.